we are going to start off by opening up our Silhouette Cameo Studio. That is the software that is used, and we're going to open up the Yeti cut file 1 to pull up this page where it has all the elements that we're going to use to cut out this card. So that's in there. So first what we're going to do is, I already have my registration marks on. I went to view, registration marks, and then another like palette will pop up over here, and you're going to do type 1. And then like these little corner marks will appear, and that's what the machine uses to scan, so that way it knows where the elements are on the page, and then it will cut it. So the laser needs those points, and I adjust my margins out so that gives me more space width-wise so I can cut, so I'm just using more of the paper. And also I want to keep it the size that it is. Once I had the registration marks on, I used this file to lay over it, and then I trace this so that way I had like a silhouette of all my things, and then so these outlines is what my machine will be cutting out. That way I just don't have to cut them out myself, and that's the fun part. So yeah, alright, so we have our registration marks on there. We have it ready to be traced and cut. So what we're going to do is we're just going to send this to print, and so it's going to print everything out with the registration marks, and then we'll send it to the Silhouette Cameo machine. Okay, so now that that's done printed out, we're going to go back to our Silhouette Cameo file, and I'm going to grab our piece of paper, and I'm going to make sure that it sticks to the board. So I know that this isn't sticky at all. It's kind of sticky. But what's really frustrating is like when your machine gets started and all of a sudden the paper starts slipping, and then the knife is like cutting through stuff that it shouldn't be, or it's not cutting it at all, it's just pushing the paper around. So it's really important that it's sticking, so I'm just going to give it like a quick spray of glue. Lift it a little bit here. Okay. So it's on there, but it's not too sticky. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to load it into, so then I'm going to go back to my computer, and I'm going to hit send up in the top corner, and then I'm going to say it's heavy cardstock paper. I want to cut auto blade. You don't really have to change too much. Once you set the paper, a lot of the presets will change automatically. And then I'm going to hit send, and this is the part where I hope it works. So it's going to scan. It's going to do its thing. I'm just going to get out of the way so you can see it. So here it is. It looks like it did absolutely nothing. But this is the fun part. At least it should be. We peel it off and ta-da! Look it, guys. It's like we have stickers. Like, if someone wants to turn my little like Yetis into stickers, I'd be very happy. So we're just gonna peel this off, and then I'm just gonna peel everything off. Okay, so first when you're gluing this, glue down the "Have an Unbelievable Birthday," so that way you know like where exactly to line up this circle that comes next. And now we have this like little slope here, and that's just gonna be our little hill. Alright, so now this is what we have so far, which is so cute. Alright, so now we're going to add our little mountains in the background. This little guy's going to be sledding down this hill, so we're going to glue him on there. And we're going to stick on our little guy who's reading a book. Okay, that is how we make our cute little Yeti cards. So we went from on the screen to cutting out or printing it off on the printer, using the Silhouette Cameo to cut out all the little pieces, and then layering it, and then giving it a backdrop. So pretty fairly simple, I would hope. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this card, if you would enjoy getting it for your birthday, let me know, and then let me know what your birthday is, and I will try to send you one. Yeah, that sounds fun, right? So, okay, so thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hop on over to my Etsy page. I'm going to post the files for this in just a few moments. All right, bye!